Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS Glue permissions for Athena queries, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize AWS Glue permissions for Athena queries, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service. In the IAM dashboard, select Policies from the sidebar. Click on the Create Policy button. Choose the JSON tab to define your policy manually. Begin by entering the necessary permissions for AWS Glue. This typically includes actions such as Glue Gettable, Glue Get Database, and Glue Gettables. You must also include permissions for Athena, which could include Athena Start Query Execution and Athena Get Query. After entering the JSON policy, click on Review Policy. Provide a name and an optional description for your new policy. Click Create Policy to save your changes. Next, navigate to the Users section in the IAM dashboard. Select the user or group you want to grant permissions to. Choose the Permissions tab. Click on Add Permissions. Select Attach Existing Policies directly. Search for the policy you just created and check the box beside it. Click Next, Review to confirm your selection. Finally, click on Add Permissions to complete the process. Your user or group now has the necessary permissions to run Athena queries against the Glue data catalog. To verify, return to the Athena service in the console. Run a simple query against your tables to ensure everything is set up correctly. If you encounter any access errors, revisit the IAM policies to ensure all required permissions are included. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized AWS Glue permissions for Athena queries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.